With this video, we want to show you some advantages of Sculptor and how we address typical pain points an organization faces when configuring out-of-the-box quotes, opportunities, products, etc. on Salesforce. First, let's take a look at the Opportunity Builder. It is an alternative interface to work with your opportunities and products. The screen is divided into three parts. On the left side, you have all the products that exist in your org. As you can see, they are grouped by product families. Currently, in our test environment, we have them empty. On the right side, we see the opportunities grouped by accounts. We can easily navigate through them. As you see, the speed of the action is high. You can scroll through all the existing accounts and modify any opportunity that you are interested in. On the top of the screen, you will see the details of the opportunity and the list of fields. It is configurable as well. You can easily modify the opportunity using drag and drop. Let me show you how it's done. I will use the product price book Dealer Prices. For that case, we remove the products in the opportunity, as another price book was selected previously for this opportunity, and then we just drag and drop products here. We can easily modify them by changing the quantity or the price. If we try to apply a discount like that, we'll see that it is already applied, and this was a manual action. So, this is the overall Sculptor interface, which allows you to save time instead of navigating between different windows and tabs typical for the Lightning interface. You can easily get to your opportunity by clicking on it. Then it will be opened in the standard Lighting interface. So, everything is interconnected. An advantage of that approach is that Sculptor will build completely on the standard data model of Salesforce, and you don't have to create any new objects in your system. That means that you can start using Sculptor without any additional configuration. Just start benefiting from its interface.